Our next key term is color harmony, which is the art of orchestrating colors to evoke emotions and elevate design. It invokes the skillful blending of colors to create a visually pleasing and emotionally resonant composition. Designers use color harmony to strike the right balance, ensuring that colors work together cohesively and elicit specific feelings, whether it's calm and serene with analogous colors or vibrant and energetic with complementary ones. It's a powerful tool for crafting visuals that engage and communicate effectively. If you are interested in knowing about more such design terms, check out my video on 101 design terms that every graphic designer should know. It's your key to unlocking innovation, refining project scopes, and enhancing user experiences. Whether you are exploring design trends, delving into advanced brand strategies, or navigating the intricacies of UI/UX, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hasta la vista, Chero!